Hello, my name is David Murphy, and this is my pitch to DHL to become their ideal aviation safety manager. They are one of the world's leading logistics companies and have always shown an interest to seeing how things are moved around the world by plane. To earn this role, I must show leadership of technical proficiency and strategic foresight. I must also be able to adhere to the latest safety standards, and I must keep to the top of technological advancements and environmental practices. Some of the key skills I have include an in-depth knowledge of aviation safety standards. This is important in an industry that is heavily regulated by organisations such as the International Air Transport Association and the International Civil Aviation Organization, and these are constantly updating regulations in order to meet the latest safety standards. I also have been doing a lot of research on safety management systems. My dissertation is titled Risk Management of Air Cargo at Dublin Airport, an analysis of human factors and safety protocols. This research I'm doing should guide me in the right direction towards being a safety manager in aviation. In this dissertation, I've been studying how previous incidents from human factors, such as lack of training, have caused new protocols to be put in place. I've also been looking into data analytics, and I've been looking at how this will help shape the future for preventing safety incidents, such as using predictive analytics. And this will help reduce disruptions for DHL if I'm hired. I also show an interest in using new technologies to enhance DHL's global network, such as by using drones for last mile deliveries and sustainable hydrogen and electrical powered ground vehicles to be used in the airport. My familiarity with AI will help me with implementing predictive maintenance systems, which will be important for making sure aircraft are up to standard. I also show good leadership and communication skills. This will be helpful for when I am needed to train new staff on the new and the latest safety protocols. This includes staff from pilots to cabin crew in working for DHL. I also have a keen interest in sustainability, which is a key topic of interest in the aviation industry at the moment. I will hope to implement DHL and the industry's goal to be net zero of carbon emissions by the year 2050. I hope to gain a further understanding of the use of electrical aircraft, sustainable aviation fuels and green technologies in order to align with DHL's safety and in order to align DHL's safety with their sustainability. DHL's aviation operations are fundamental to its global network. I believe the skills I have are essential for DHL, as I will be able to meet their strategic objectives, such as keeping with their perfect safety record, meeting regulatory demands, and embracing technological and environmental innovation. And also, my skills in sustainability will support DHL's long-term sustainability goals. To conclude, I feel I'll be the perfect candidate for DHL safety manager in aviation, as I show technical and leadership expertise. I also have a firm grasp of aviation safety standards, risk management techniques, and new technologies such as artificial intelligence. By putting these skills to work, I will keep DHL in its position as a global leader in the logistics and air cargo industries. Thank you for listening to my pitch.